Shenseea shares a picture that she got ridiculed for 5 years ago and see what happens when Spice goes shopping and get recognized in the grocery store.
What, Spice can't in here a shop?
Oh yeah, I say.
Spice can't in here.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! I wanna spend all my money on you. Say some love, girl, I want you. Girl, you got pride. Let me come true. I'ma take care of you. I'm on it. Call me. Let me put for it.
Yes, people, so that's Dexta Daps' rendition of Spice and Conscience Pay For It, produced by Russian. So welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, Dexta Daps posted the video on his Instagram and he tagged Spice and Conscience and he said, "It's a hit, good girl forget things, challenge hot at Conscience." So that was a week ago, but people, me love it. Me have shown a said way, even though I'm late with it, cause me would love to hear the official remix with Dexta Daps on it. Me don't know how no feel about that, but me would love to hear that bass pan when me see. So tell me down in the comment section if you don't feel the same way. Now, people, let's get into today's show, right? So we are talking about Shenseea and we are talking about Spice. So first, we're gonna kick off things with Spice, cause Spice went shopping, and I'm assuming this is in Atlanta or somewhere overseas based on the accent of the person that she ran into. Now we know that Spice have a lot of female fans, but she also have our male fans them too. And in this case, you know, them at work and them just do them regular work and like boom, Spice just do for your regular shopping. But you know, he was a bit surprised to see Spice doing some shopping. So I'm gonna have the video for sure and take a look at what happened. Here goes.
What, Spice can't in here a shop?
Oh yeah, I say.
Spice can't in here.
I like all your songs.
Thank you so much.
You had that one that one go hard. It go doom, doom, doom,
Yeah.
doom. You Spice for real?
So
Yo,
what's
you
up?
serious? No, I'm just saying like that. Wow.
Yeah,
What's
real
your
person
highlight?
doing a real thing. Mhm.
Wow, that's so cool. I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, man, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man in a disbelief. I mean, I think it's the fact that Spice a shop. You know what I mean? I think of that it him. I think that's the fact that him just have things say, you know, it's a regular day at work, you know, just a regular day like every day, and boom, him just is Spice. So me more believe say that, even though if you look on the video, Spice I say I'm a normal person that do normal things, and you know, she has said just another job and stuff like that, and she a big up of course, and I say she have male fans as well. So big up them youth there, see me. And big up Spice also. Now, people, we are going to move on and we are going to talk about Shenseea. So, Shenseea posts 2 pictures on her Instagram. Now, people, me see them from what day, but because me never really get to them, me I go show you now. Because to me, this is really important. So, the first one where she share right there, so at the Jiggle Jiggle artwork. And this was her first official song, we are going to say, you know. She and Ramesh talk about it all the time. And him tell the story of how him tell her to come on studio and she come and she record Jiggle Jiggle, right? And the music video up on YouTube for the fans them when they know Jiggle Jiggle. Now the long time fans them, the long time Shenyang them, before there was even Shenyang, we don't know what go on, right? But people, this is the picture that she shared, and she had a caption talking about both of the photographs, right? But in the second picture, you know, she really tell us what go on and what happened to her 5 years ago. So I'm going to read through this where she put in the caption. So she said, "Today was the release of my first song I officially recorded, Jiggle Jiggle, 5 years ago. I finished writing this song 5 a.m. in the morning while my baby slept. I love this picture because this was the day I served most of the top dancehall artists and businessmen, brought out all their bottles, food, etc. I then heard my song at the party and no one knew it was me except my team and the DJ. I posted this picture 5 years ago and got ridiculed for my slippers, seeing as some of my followers saw it many times. Because I didn't have much, I glued it over and over every time it fell apart. I am proud of myself and I am most grateful to God for carrying me thus far. I am about to start a new journey and I doubt not in what He will continue to do. When I started, it was a few. Now my Shenyangs and I are gonna take over the world. Hashtag jiggle jiggle, hashtag 5 years ago, hashtag buckle service girl, hashtag promo girl, hashtag artiste. So people, hear for yourself how much dynamics in her what she just say. We are talking about her baby, right? She have a young baby at the time and she's a battle girl at the time. For Ramesh, of course, right? Ramesh never know say, yeah, she well talented like that. Well, by that time when she, take the picture, him didn't know because the song they already do. But another Shenyang we know today, right? We don't understand what I say. But think about it, people. Them talk about her slippers because she says them see the slippers over and over. And a whole heap of people out there right now where they on the come up with, Later on, I'm not going to make it in a life as somebody. But right now, when I go through the struggles, I'm probably a face some things like these, right? When I post on a picture and people are talk about, yo, we see that already, or we see that shoes there, no more, or whatever. And she not ashamed to say where she come from. She tell us she glued the slippers over and over every time it fall apart. But, I just have to respect the fact that she was working at that time because, a lot of us no job right now. A lot of young people got through it and have no job. So she did do what she have to do to make our baby eat at the time and make herself eat. And her mother was alive, of course. So we know how that go. You see me? So right now we know where Shensi are there, all the way up. And she says she go further. She says she about to start a new journey. We don't know exactly what she have in store, but we know say she do major things right now. Album on the way and all. Right? So people tell me when I think about that. You see what I say? Tell me when I think about people criticizing people when they not have it. You know what I mean? Because, overall Jamaica is a poor nation. We are not the poorest. I don't want it to sound like we are sufferer like that. But we know the majority and the mass. Certain things we can't afford. And this is a very common thing where we have one shoes and we have two shoes. And we are going to see we nice same clothes over and over. So, you know what I mean? Some of the people them we are chat to, them do the same thing. But we don't know how life go. You see me? But people, just tell me what I think about that. Alright? So right now I want to feature one song when I play from Wadi. That song your name. My food come first and the artist is Utterance out of St. Mary. Big bad tune people and my non-stop guitar energy. You see me? So right now let's take a listen to that tune. Yeah. Big up Utterance.
Above all the good things of the world, health is the divine gift to be found by those who take care to guard it well. Utterance! You see food? Me food come first. All them my pop and a pop one. Say them wicked and them tough. Me food come first. Heads of state and my people. Baby, gonna please listen up. Oh, if we wear the best and I eat the worst. Consuming paste, starch and poison and pus. Mother Earth bushy, so me weed her up. When me jam the fat, that means she just get bust. Rock and pushy now, the killer with work. Me so me sweet and get me product. Me not just man Santa. Me food come first. Me food and me madness and me food. Me food come first. All them my pop and a pop and talk about the money. Look how the dogs and the crooks say ask all them a bust. They want a machete and a fork make walk bust them shot. I talk about what's nice and that's delicious. Aside the nation so diabetic and cancerous. Me food come first. Me food and me food and me food. Aye, me food come first. All them my pop and a pop one. Say them wicked and I me say you black woman. I mean the love for no one. Dash with the nails and stop talk about on the stand. On the not plant no bean, on the not plant no can. Before I see it is this right, it is there. On the one, me food come first. and a up one. Said them wicked and them tough, but me food come first.
So once again, people, the song is called My Food Come First. The artist is Utterance straight out of St. Mary. And I'm going to put the link to the full song down in the comment section. You can check out the full song, right? But people, more on just get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this song. Tell me what you think about the Shenseea story and about the Spice. Even the Dexter Daps thing too. You know what I mean? The Dexter Daps official remix with Spice and pay for it if you don't want to see it. So big up on yourself, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.